Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to share Spotify song on Snapchat. The process is really easy, let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Spotify on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. This is the homepage of Spotify. Now first of all, you'll have to search for the song that you want to share. I'll simply share a random song from my homepage. Let's say this one, Talking to the Moon. Now to share this song to Snapchat, all I have to do is tap on the three dots besides the song name. And on this page, you can see the option Share, the second last option. Go ahead and tap on it. And you'll be able to see a list of apps that are installed on your phone. Now here you'll have to tap on the Snapchat icon so that you can share the song to Snapchat. And as you can see on the screen, the song has been linked. Now you can add text or stickers if you want to. And if you want to share this song to your story, then you'll have to tap on the story option at the bottom left corner. It is right besides the save icon. If you want to share it directly with your friends, then you'll have to tap on the next option at the bottom right corner. Now all you have to do is select the friend with whom you want to share the song. Now tap on the send icon at the bottom right corner, the right faced arrow. When you do that, the song will be shared with your friend. My net's a little slow today, so it's taking time, but once you do that, it will be shared. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.